What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now here you will see a flight mode icon. So from here turn on and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And after turning on the flight mode, turn it back off. So doing this will help you to decrease the battery draining issue. But if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is check for your mobile updates. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, if you have any pending software update, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, the battery draining issue due to Wi-Fi calling will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is go closer to the router. So if you are far away from the router, then your mobile will drain more battery to get good signals. So go close to the router and it will help you to fix the battery draining issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.